Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide and steps on how to add description product to Payhip. So get started with a quick and straightforward guide. The first thing to do, which is the first step, is to log into your Payhip account, or probably go to your browser, then log in using the Payhip website, which is payhip.com, then sign in into your account using your account credentials. Then from there, from the dashboard, click the product tab at the top right. Then from there, you have to select subscription billing from the product type option. Then after that, you have to set your subscription details, so which involves your title, which is name of your subscription, the description, which explains what users will get your product subscription, for example, maybe monthly content or exclusive access, and also as well as set the price tag, then the billing frequencies. So for this, choose how often customers are charged, which is maybe weekly, monthly, or yearly. Then once that is done, on step 5, you have to add a product image, which is very optional, but this make your offer visually appealing. So once you do that, once everything looks so good, click on the button to publish, and your subscription product is now live. You also can share your link with your audience to start collecting recurring payment, and that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform, and make sure you subscribe for more videos. Thanks.